Hello friends, I am packing my school bag and getting ready for school. Let's start. This is my pencil. It is of yellow color. My eraser. It is of white color. This is my red sharpener. It is my favorite color. These are my colorful chalks. I love these chalks. This is my scale. This is made of plastic. This is my scissors. My geometry box. It is of pink color. This is my book. This is my notebook. And now I put my sketch pens in my bag. My crayons. I love to color with this. These are my watercolors. These are my favorite. My painting brushes. I put them also. This is my water bottle. This is of pink color. This is my school bag. I like it very much. My school dress. This is my school dress. And now at last I am ready for the school. Thank you friends for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our channel.